good? Welcome back, guys. We are doing a board smashing. This is my first board smashing video. I've done a bunch before, but I haven't recorded it. This is my first one recorded. So today we're going to be doing a Rubik's Cube. These things are super old. Don't know who invented them, but whoever invented them, saying this is impossible to just, I don't know, fix. You're wrong, because a lot of people fix this. I can't. So yeah, we're going to get into this. Okay, first, standard, we're going to do a drop test. How high is this? I don't know, we're just going to say it's 5 foot. No, we're going to say it's 5 inches. I don't know what inches is, okay, guys? Okay, 3, 2, 1. It didn't even do a thing, all it did was scratch it. Okay, crap, I should have wrote a script for this. So we're going to do it 10 feet now. Nothing yet. Okay, now we're going to do the ludicrous drop test. So it's where I throw high up in the sky and it lands and hopefully it breaks. So I'm going to get one of my homemade seat and put it right here. Ludicrous drop. Hold up. I should actually get the whole thing. Only pulleys under this, guys. Hopefully we don't get demonetized. Well, I don't make any money from this, but I just do it for fun. I haven't posted a video in a while, and guys, I'm sorry that I haven't posted a video in a while. My schedule's been messed up. This whole virus thing. Can't say coronavirus because they'll demonetize me in a heartbeat. Anyways, hopefully y'all guys are staying safe, being inside, staying indoors, social distancing. I'm not social distancing. My friend is holding the camera actually. So yeah, this is all. We're gonna do the ludicrous stop count. Okay. 3, 2, 1. You know what? Ludicrous drop test. 5 meters. 3, 2, 1. Oh! 2 of the cubes came out, guys. One. The white piece. The white and green pieces we have to put back on. And the orange and blue piece. You can tell the damages. See, it won't turn. It's stuck. Okay, my cameraman is gonna do this. So yeah, guys, we're gonna do this. Hold up. Okay. Do you want to state your name? This video is not good. It's bad quality. Yeah, drop test if you want. Yeah, he done more damage than me. Pick up the pieces. I'll show the cube. Oh my god, guys. Like, look at this. Look at this, guys. I have to let it focus, but it's focused on the Rubik's Cube. Anything else? It looks like it's garbage. Sorry if the video quality is doing. I got a new phone. Oh, look, it's the thing. Hold up, let me zoom out. This thing, guys, is like so good. Oh, this is the pieces. I forgot that my cameraman put the pieces down. Look at this, guys. There's some blending in with the grass that I can't really see. Okay, my cameraman's gonna do it again. Hopefully I don't hang myself with the noose. I'm gonna have to cut that one part out. Okay, he's gonna do it again. Okay, I'm gonna do it this time. You hold the camera.